Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Bumblebee from the show Teen Titans Go. Before we get started, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe if you're new here. And also go ahead and leave a comment and let me know something you would like to see drawn in the future or something you would like to learn how to draw in the future. Alright, so to get started, let's work on the eyes. I'm going to do a curve like this, so it's like an upside down U, and then on this end we're going to have a eyelash. It's going to be kind of pointed, and then we're going to come on up and make this top lid thicker. Next we're going to do the bottom, so we're just going to do a little line like that. And now we'll do the inside of the eye, so we'll do an oval and another one, and then one behind that, and that one's going to be colored in all black. Next we can do an eyebrow up above. And now we can do a little nose like that. And now we can do the other eye. So this other eye is going to be really similar to the other one. Got that pointy eyelash here on the side and this great big upside down U shape. And we're going to thicken it up. And we're going to do this line right here for the bottom, and we're going to do big oval for the inside, and we're just going to do the same as we did for the other eye. And now an eyebrow, just like we did before. And now we can do a cute little smile. And now let's do the shape of the face. So we can come on down and do a little bit of a cheek and a bit of a chin. And we're going to come on up this way. And over here, we're going to work our way down, but we're going to leave room for an ear. So let's do a little ear here. And we're also going to have a big hoop earring. We're going to do that like that, and then continue working on the ear and connect it all. So now let's do a line right here, and up here above the eyebrows we can do a little swoop coming up and one here to the side. And now we can bring this line over here and we can do a great big circle. And same on this side, great big circle. And bring a little line down here for the side of the hair there. And we can do another hoop earring. And now let's do two little lines for neck and shoulder there. And come on down, we'll start an arm and bring it on down. And we're going to do a bracelet like that. And we're going to come on inward and then outward. And right here, we can come on down and then come inward a bit and then outward and come on down. We're going to do a little curve right here and bring this line up, and we can do a little curve here and a line right here and one line there, a line here, and just make some stripes for the shirt. Now we're going to do a curve here and another one, and we can do a hand right here. We'll do a thumb and then 1, 2 fingers, and we're going to do a stripe right here on the bracelet, and we can do another hand on the hip over here, and another big bracelet with another stripe on it, and we can see a little bit of a finger from the way her hand is on the other hip. Now here on the belt we can do a B, the letter B, a little line there, a little line there. And now we're going to bring this line down a bit more for the leg. And right here, bringing it down and out. And right here, we're going to bring this line down, and we can do a shape coming up here, an upside down U, and bring it on down and come on up and bring this line down. And we're going to do the same over on the other side. And bring this line down and this line down. All right, so now we are finished our sketch and we're going to get started with the coloring. Alright everyone, we're finished drawing Bumblebee. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye everybody!